guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a tutorial of Newton crypto app. Before getting started, if you're new to Newton app, check out my link in the description box below. When you trade at least $100 worth of crypto, you're gonna get $25 as a bonus. So here are the pros and cons of Newton app. And Newton has one of the lowest and best prices when it comes to crypto. The sign up process is very simple, and deposits and withdrawals don't take a lot of time unless in a specific situation where they are doing some maintenance or something. Other than that, deposits and withdrawals are pretty fast, and you also have a wallet. So for example, platforms like Wealthsimple, they don't have a wallet. You can't move your crypto from one app to another app or one account to another account. And also Wealthsimple, when whatever crypto you're buying on Wealthsimple, you don't own that coin unless they have wallets. So Wealthsimple owns those crypto for you. But on Newton, you have wallets, you can transfer your crypto or do whatever you want to do with your crypto. The things I really don't like about Newton are whenever there is crazy volume, let's say crypto is crashing like crazy in a particular day, or crypto is going up like crazy in a particular day, they have outages and the platform doesn't even load. So that's one of the things. Actually, this happens across all the crypto apps, mostly, but on Newton it's a bit more often. So number two is there are no staking options available. When it comes to platforms like crypto.com, you can stake your crypto assets and you can get paid interest, but on Newton you don't have that option. Yeah, that's actually why whenever I make a purchase on Newton, I immediately transfer those assets to crypto.com and stake my cryptocurrencies. So that's what I basically do. And you don't have so many coins like crypto.com or Binance. You just have few limited coins. But if you're new to cryptocurrency, you have all your basics like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin. All these things you can trade on Newton. Also, customer service is not that great. I think all the crypto apps are similar when it comes to customer service. All of them have really slow customer service. Nobody has a live chat. Yeah, it's basically common in the crypto world. You have a mobile app that looks exactly like the website as well, and I really love the mobile app. But in this video, I'll be going through the website. It's basically the same. Okay, so if you don't have an account, obviously you need to click on get started, and yeah, please don't forget to use the referral code or my referral link down below in the description of this video to get $25 bonus. So yeah, click on get started and create your account. All you have to do is submit your details, and so this is how it looks like. I do not have anything on this account. I'm gonna do a deposit right now. I'm gonna go and add funds onto this. Yeah, so whenever I'm buying or selling any of the coins, I prefer Newton platform. It's just that I don't keep my crypto assets on this platform because you can't stake for everything to crypto.com, so that I can stake and earn interest, because rates on Newton are really good compared to so many other apps. So that's why I do that. Add funds, and you have three options. You can transfer via Interac e-transfer. This is like the fastest. I mean, if you're depositing Canadian dollars, crypto from crypto wallet is you can transfer from another wallet. So this is the address for each and every coin. You get a specific address. Via wire transfer, it takes 3 to 5 business days. That's why I never tried it, because I need everything to be instant. So click on via Interac e-transfer and enter the amount. So as I already entered my email address and everything, it's everything is ready over here. But don't forget to add your email Interac e-transfer email address and verify it, and that's it. Once you're done with it, you can instantly add funds or withdraw funds to your bank account. Deposits on crypto.com are really faster. It will take you like a couple of minutes, that's it. Withdrawals on Newton are very fast, like it takes couple of minutes when you have to withdraw funds. Withdrawals on crypto.com takes up to couple of business days. So yeah, you have your transfers, weekly limits and all. Okay, I want to add 2000 CAD. Click on send fund request, and this is the email address. Send fund request. Okay, a funding request has been sent. When you get an Interact e-transfer email, just accept request for money and select your bank account. Click on accept the transfer. That's it. My funds are ready right now to make a purchase. As I told you, I'm gonna buy Cardano right now because the pattern looks really good. Like, it looks like a bullish setup and it's about to break out. So yeah, let's go and buy Cardano. Click on Cardano and you can see the chart here. It's, you can change it to candle pattern as well, candle format as well. And this is a 5-minute chart. Switch to daily chart, and on the right side you can see create limit order. And for example, the price right now is $2.47, and let's say if you want to buy at a lower price, maybe like $2.40, how much ADA you want to buy. Like, I want to use all my money, let's say. So this is how many Cardano I can buy with 2000 bucks. So confirm buy order, you can click on confirm buy order. And okay, until you cancel this one, for example Cardano only went up and it never filled your order, yeah, you have to cancel it manually, or otherwise the obviously unless the price is at $2.40, your order won't be filled. At 247 I want to buy the Cardano. Okay, click confirm buy order. Yeah, it's here. Let's see when that gets filled. I'm gonna wait for the order to be filled. And let's say you want to withdraw from Newton app, withdraw Canadian dollars or crypto assets to a different crypto wallet. You can do that with via Interact e-transfer. Within 2 hours your funds will be deposited into your bank account. Actually, it never took me even 2 hours. It only takes like couple of minutes. But worst case scenario, it takes 2 hours. My order got filled. Let me see. Click on activity, and average fill price is 246, and for $19 or 1996.76, I still have $3.24 left. Let me buy Cardano for that amount as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go with 246 and maximum. Oh, it says minimum $20 for the order. I didn't know this before. Let me try to place a market order. Yeah, I think this will get placed. Yeah, this is how you can do a market order. So for limit orders, $20 is the minimum limit, but for market orders, you can trade with as little as $1 as well. So yeah, that is how it is. And let's say I want to withdraw 5 ADA to my crypto.com Cardano wallet. So this is the wallet address, and review withdrawal. Fee, estimated network fee is covered. So yeah, withdraw ADA. So yeah, your transfer is underway. I just wanted to, so whenever I'm transferring from one wallet to another wallet, I always do in smaller amounts. I don't know, I just get a feeling that I might make a mistake. So I always make sure that I'm not withdrawing everything at once. So that's it for today. I hope you guys found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye.